and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where this one you would have seen my GT3RS has gone up for sale, and 99.9999999% sure I'm never going to see that car again, and there needs to be a replacement. All to be spoken about in this video today. The GT3RS replaced the Lamborghini Huracan, the Lamborghini Huracan replaced my Audi R8, the Audi R8 replaced my Corvette. That's kind of how my supercar situation has gone. Please be aware, this video is pre-recorded. We filmed this weeks and weeks and weeks ago, so please don't think that we're out not obeying lockdown. This was filmed weeks ago, and it features Dr. Alex, who is doing amazing things for the NHS. He's working in A&E, he's doing amazing stuff at the moment, really inspiring all of us at this very, very difficult time. So like I say, please don't think that we're filming this now. This is filmed weeks and weeks ago, and I'm just very, very thankful for everything the NHS are doing, and as we all should be, and yeah, we're gonna get through this tough time. Oh, and also, you're probably wondering, where the hell's this video gone from last night? You posted a steering wheel, this new steering wheel for a simulator. Well, that video, basically, I posted it initially unlisted by accident, and then it didn't go in loads of sub boxes, and then it was just not working. So the video will get reposted, and there's a lot of cool stuff coming up on the sim front, because I know a lot of you do like it as well. So I'm going to be doing loads more on here, but also on Twitch as well. So my Twitch channel is Archie Hamilton #1, and I'm live all through the weekend, and cool stuff coming up, including sim stuff as well. All of that is to come. So I know there's a certain forum which were like, oh, where's this video last night gone? Let's skip to the video, the Q&A, go.
Use the intro I just filmed.
Yes.
Okay.
Tom just filmed an intro for me.
No worries, mate. I'll send you an invoice.
We've just started, and you would have seen I was just going around in this senior Rotax go-kart. That is one way to start a video. Here at, we've just been going out in this go-kart here at DMS. In today's video, you would have seen my video here in the A45S, but we're going to be answering a lot of your questions as well. Myself, James, Tom, and Alex. Actually, really fun to go in this senior Rotax go-kart. Only a small little run. So let's jump in. This is Q&A time, everybody. Let's jump in. Where shall I go? Shall I go in the back?
There's no room here, Archie.
Oh, I'm in the front. There we go. How are we all?
Well, we're in the middle of a video. We're in the middle of a video. This is a video inception. It's a video within a video.
Ah.
Archie Hamilton back to the channel. We're talking about whether this is the best car you can get for around 50k.
No.
Value for money.
Huawei.
Right.
Huawei, that is hell, to be fair.
Okay.
Huawei. Those are carbon.
Did you see me in the go-kart?
Yeah, what's happened to it?
I think I've broken it.
No, you haven't.
No, it's fine. Okay, so you now join us where we're in James's long wheelbase Range Rover. We have Mr. J. Say hello, James.
Hi, Archie.
Hello. Tom, say hello.
Yep.
And Alex.
Hello, sirs.
Hello, we are here. What I've done is I've collected a lot of comments that get asked to myself, Tom, Alex, James recently, and I've put them all together for a Q&A.
FAQs Q&A.
FAQs Q&A. Best hatchback for an 18-year-old. Go.
Age-specific hatchback.
But don't go on too long. Yeah?
Don't know.
Someone sent that in. James.
Original A45 because of the budget, unless you're extremely rich.
There we go.
I like Golf GTIs, Archie.
Okay.
The M140i is...
Yeah.
Alex, I like that. Alex.
Well, you'll be coming to question and answer time and
a manual one.
We'll invite you back, Alex.
V-Power.
Manual ones help.
People asking why I'm such a bad passenger after watching the story of me and you go around in the pista. I just don't enjoy it, to be honest. I don't enjoy being a passenger. I like being a passenger in like a long wheelbase or something like this. Just not really a massive.
Do you feel? Is it because like you like element of control? You're not behind the wheel.
Yeah, I mean it's the racing.
The irony of the fact that you make a living out of teaching people how to drive.
Yeah.
So it's not the job for you.
No, maybe I need to change industry, James.
Yeah, maybe do, but you got no skill sets.
That's
tough.
If you were given £3,000, what would you buy?
That is a good question. Old school Golf VR6, and I'd have a load of change.
Doesn't necessarily just have to be a car, James.
What?
No.
It's not a car.
I've known you a long old time, and you've never once even expressed a mild interest in a Golf VR6.
I think they're quite cool. I don't know why. I just think they're quite nostalgic. When I was a kid, I liked them.
He's lost the plot, hasn't he? You've lost the plot.
All right. Well, you answer the question.
What do you have?
You don't have a personality or a response.
Go straight, please.
No, shut up.
I would, for £3,000.
Don't repeat the question to buy yourself more time.
Need to make this snappier, Archie.
I would buy a Reliant Robin. 3 of them.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, that would be helpful. What would you have?
I'd buy probably a vintage Tag Heuer Monaco Blue Dial. Steve McQueen.
Good choice. How?
Yeah.
If it was going to be car related, if you can get on with that money, and I hope you can, a Saxo VTS. Can you get a Saxo VTS?
Oh,
16
hell.
valve. Not
Saxo.
the
Yeah, you 16 valve one. If you can get it for that money, I'm not 100% sure you can. It's probably gone up in value, but I'd love one of them.
I used to have the VTR.
Yeah, you
They're
did.
brilliant cars. Both
Brilliant.
VTR, VTS, brilliant cars.
Remember the West Coast? There was a 1.4 that had the VTR arches everywhere.
Often in green, Tom.
People asking me what my GT3RS replacement could be.
Oof.
That's quite a good one.
Don't know if we've got long enough to discuss it.
That's a 15-part video
that's a
series.
15
More on that
part
soon.
video, yeah, more on that soon.
The
Hurricane.
options would be 600 LT. If
I think you should actually genuinely get one. I'm not the biggest McLaren fanboy, but I think they're amazing.
600 LT.
600 LT would be
Center seats, Archie.
Not ruling this out, everybody, that one day I could see myself owning something like that. I could. That's sick, with all the carbon, everything else. I'm falling in love with these. 720S potentially.
They're good money now, let's be honest. They are. I know, Tom, you hate them, but like they are good
No,
money.
for 103 grand or whatever they are.
Okay, what was your first car, James?
Renault Clio, it's 400 quid and I split it with him, 200 quid each.
Okay.
And we sold it for profit, didn't we, Tom?
I
I
love
think it was
that.
450, James, 225 each.
Yes, 225 each and we sold it for 500, Tom.
We did, James.
Yes,
I got
£25 profit each, Tom.
H-Reg Renault Clio, James.
89,000 on the clock, Tom.
Yeah, it had TSW Halford's wheels, James.
Yeah, and we put a subwoofer in it, didn't we, Tom?
We did an active sub with a built-in amp.
Made by Vibe.
Vibe. 12-inch?
Yep.
There you go.
Alex, what was your first car?
I had a Vauxhall Corsa SXI and I loved it.
SXI?
I loved it.
Cash!
Yeah. SXI was hell though, I loved that
Yeah.
car.
True petrol head.
That's cash.
What is that?
It's a Ferrari.
Oh, that is cash.
That's an old Ferrari.
How much it?
I'll try and show you if everyone's here.
Oh, and there's a van coming. Oh!
Oh my god. Do you know how much that could have been a video there? They just jumped out and
That
showed.
was so close.
We'll get it, we'll get it. We're getting him. People asking what we will be taking to Monaco this year.
Well, that'd be sick. We still need to plan the whole thing, but
Mm.
that'd be pretty sick. Well, I'm going to take the R8 because obviously, like, I've literally just got that, so
Yeah.
taking the R8.
I won't be taking the long wheelbase, I don't think. I don't think it will handle the mountain roads. I'll probably be off it upside
No.
down. So I need to find a new car, so that's another question. Don't know is the answer. Don't know, I'm out on this. I'm going to pass on this question, I'm afraid.
You're
Okay.
gonna pass.
Yeah, I don't have a car to take, and I haven't got
Tom,
a
are
new
you
one.
awake or?
No, I'm alright. I was just having a little think because there's 11 cars to think about, Archie. Here all week.
What? Okay. Did you pass your driving test first time?
Yes, one minor.
Yes, 2 minors.
Yes, I think I had a couple of minors.
Okay, when are you getting a Defender like TG? When are you getting a Defender like TG?
Well, you get a Defender like me.
They're talking to me.
You
When
can have
am
mine.
I getting a Defender?
He already has one. You don't need to look at him.
Yeah. They want me to buy a Defender like you.
This is the question's for you, so answer the question.
Oh yeah.
You can buy mine if you want.
He is so slow, isn't he?
I was like, he kept looking at me. He was like, he has one. Mate.
I'm not the camera.
You can look at me.
Okay, so I don't think I'm going to get a Defender just because I just don't think it's for me. It's not really my type. I'm more an SVR man.
No, it didn't work on your channel. You're not an SVR man, clearly.
No, it worked.
Why did you get so much help? Why did you get so much help? with SVR?
But people didn't like it. Well, they did like
hate
it, but then I sold it. No.
Unless he's racing. they hate him.
Today would be nice.
My audience like racing and they like the content I'm producing of racing.
He's justifying everything. Fair play.
Okay, let's move on.
I like the SVR. I just gotta say.
What is the best car you have ever owned?
Turbo S.
Oh, well, that's easy for you.
Carrera GT? I mean,
Well, yeah,
it's,
Carrera GT
when
now.
you get it.
Yeah, Carrera GT. Or GT3RS is a very close second. Or F12 actually.
My F-Tail's gonna be close
Yep.
up there, isn't it? It's got to be the Carrera GT. For me, R8 V10 Plus, obviously.
V10 Plus is
love
just-
it. It's got a dream car.
What about you, Archie? I mean, you can't just read the questions and
I
not answer
know.
them.
My favourite car of all time is definitely the GT3RS, but I did also enjoy the Hurricane.
The Hurricane was cool.
Hurricane was for causing chaos on the road. That was better, but in terms of a mechanical piece of engineering,
That was
Porsche.
unbelievable. That Porsche is phenomenal.
Tom, did you like?
Porsche, yes.
Yeah, you like that? And now I'm racing a Porsche this year, so that's all thing. Is sim racing much different apart from absence of the G-forces to real racing? That's actually a good question. I'll ask that because Tom does not have any idea. Basically, it is different because there's the element that if you crash it on a sim, you're not going to hurt yourself.
Actually, I could have answered that, mate.
But the graphics in the real life are also very, very realistic these days.
I mean, the person that asked that question, do you think they probably could have worked out it's different if you crash a sim to the real car?
No, obviously.
So.
But
that's your advice. So they're basically not going to ask you a question again. I mean, it's useless advice.
No, but what I'm saying is that, yeah. And another point is that you feel the car underneath you when you're in a race car. You feel it underneath you, Tom. You feel it from your
Well, I'm being dragged
from
in.
underneath you.
I
You
believe
can?
you.
Underneath you feel the car. On a sim, car not moving. No car.
It's got into Dean voice.
What is your opinion of a Lotus?
Drove it on track, really impressive. If you're into track stuff, wouldn't buy one unless I was tracking it.
Good little track car.
Good old toy for the track.
Good old toy for the track, but wouldn't buy one for no.
Will you race each other on rental go-karts? Perfect.
Yeah,
No,
that's a video.
You're a professional.
Well, you'll win.
I don't feel like we can win on that. Like, you are a racing driver.
Yeah.
I went and go once and it really hurt my ribs and I just didn't want to do it again.
Why don't you and TGE and JE hang out anymore?
You're busy racing. You're a very busy guy.
Well, we are now, so
There you go.
Hanging out.
there we are.
Okay, I'm going to go for one last question because we don't want people just to be here all day and...
There you do. How many ads so far?
I don't know.
Going for 22 minutes at the moment. It's good old.
Is it optimising AdSense 22?
Don't know, mate, but I'm chucking them all in.
Alright, cool.
Good old boy.
Money no matter, dream 3-car garage, daily, fun and track.
That's a good question.
I like that question.
Start with you,
Dream-
surely.
Dream 3-car garage. I'm a big fan of the Porsche 918. Just think it's a great car.
No, fantastic. Yeah.
Dream daily is still Lamborghini Urus, blacked out.
Mm.
And for the track, probably a GT3RS or GT2RS. There we go, GT2RS. Can't really beat it. James, over to you.
Daily would be a Range Rover SVO long wheelbase.
Mm-hmm.
Or SVA, whatever they call it, the Vogue one, whatever that is, that one. For track car, it'd have to be, I don't know then, probably go Mclaren 600 LT.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have a clue about that, but yeah.
No, I'll put my hands out. I don't care about track.
Okay.
I don't make a living from it, mate. And and what was the other car? Dream car.
Yeah.
Anything.
Just any. Yeah. I mean, whatever. I mean, P1.
P1 set.
You're a big McLaren fan.
Yeah.
Daily, Cullen and Black Badge.
Oh, I wish I thought of that.
That's
It's
good.
a
yeah.
good
Be
old
careful.
boy.
Yeah, that's a good old boy.
Be careful
Watch
of the build
out, mate, 'cause
quality.
everything will break.
And the fridge will open and then it doesn't close. Don't touch anything else. Carry on. Cullen and Black Badge.
Cullen and Black Badge, Carrera GT, and then for track, annoyingly, GT3RS Gen 2 Isaac.
Why did you have to have a little dig? You could have said Gen 1.
Had to. Tony's not here, so someone's got to do it.
So it's good, give us some shit.
No, but I actually mean that. Yeah, they're good.
Okay,
or
thanks.
a piece. Go on then, ask him.
Yeah, piece.
My turn. La Ferrari. Dream
Hell.
car. I love La Ferrari. That's
good
like
answer, to
amazing.
be fair.
SV. I'll probably the SVA long wheelbase. That's
Yeah.
just that's just an amazing like
Piece of
daily
machinery,
car.
yeah.
And then track car, probably I'd have to say the GT2RS Porsche. I mean, it is like the ultimate,
GT2RS is
surely that is the
literally.
ultimate.
It actually is. It actually.
I'll
is
take
the
your
ultimate.
opinion on that, mate, because you actually know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you.
Okay.
So I might buy one of these. Maybe I get one of these.
This is actually. A good
I need
car.
to get onto my new supercar. Really, that's one thing that I need to get on. When the summer comes, I'm going to be hunting things. So you think 600 LT? You think 7?
I just think there'll be good money. I think there'll be a great. I don't think anything will match it
You
for the
get a
money.
600 LT Spider with center seats in an okay colour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I genuinely do like them.
This is the sort of thing that you buy, Tony.
Yeah, one of those, yeah.
That is it.
Yeah.
I genuinely. Good. I honestly think if my GT3RS sells, which it might. What? Really?
LT Spider, how much are they? Honestly, now. Marketed at 180.
180? Did you say 180?
Yeah.
You could probably
Posted.
get 175 maybe ish.
I mean, they're listed at 180, so you're going to go in there with what, 60 grand offer?
Don't have a go at McLaren, I've stopped.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah.
When did he stop?
Well, he's
What,
stopped.
just
He's
now?
stopped for now.
Okay. For now is the keyest element.
For now, everyone, for now.
For now. So there we go. There's a little question, little insight to what's been going on, what we're doing, answer a few little questions and things like that.
Yeah, no, it's been really enjoyable. It's nice to catch up.